In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see 2 weeks in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a clear, easy way to view exactly 14 days at a time, which is perfect for planning sprints, vacations, or busy work cycles. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that holds your calendar. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. From that menu, choose Calendar. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it. Once Google Calendar opens, look toward the top right for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click it, then select Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to the full settings page where we can fine-tune how your calendar looks. In the left sidebar, find the section called View Options. This area controls what you see by default and how dense the layout appears. Look for the option labeled Set Custom View. Open that menu and choose 2 weeks. This tells Calendar that when you choose the 2-week layout, it should show 14 days in a single view. Now that the custom view is set, return to your main calendar. You can click the back arrow in your browser or use the calendar link at the top to go back to the home page. At the top right of your calendar, next to the day, week, and month options, you'll see a view selector with a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the list of available layouts, then pick 2 weeks. Your calendar will immediately switch to a clean 2-week view, showing everything across the next 14 days. A few quick tips to make the most of this view. Use the left and right arrows at the top of the calendar to jump forward or backward 2 weeks at a time. The Today button snaps you back to the current date if you've navigated away. If your schedule looks crowded, expand your browser window or adjust your zoom so more hours fit on the screen. And if you ever want to change back to a different layout, simply open the same view selector and choose day, week, month, or any other option. That's all there is to it. You set 2 weeks as your custom view. In Settings, return to your calendar and select 2 weeks from the View menu. Now you can scan 2 full weeks at a glance and plan with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined schedule.